generous and kind. Also very responsive in answering messages. Highly recommend. Condo unit is very clean, looks and smells clean, trash cans are on every corner. Hotel-like ambience and comfort, but feels more like a home away from home. Room is spacious, the bed is very comfortable. There's iron, sewing kit, etc. Living room is also spacious and sofa is comfortable. Bathroom is big and clean. There is a dining table and a complete kitchen, perfect for quick. The place is really nice and cozy. I love the view to smile, great place to relax and unwind. Love the cleanliness, the prompt responses, the free parking, the balcony. Will definitely come back. Nice and cozy place. This is a great place to enjoy the view of Tagaytay. The place has complete amenities and is clean. The owner is very accommodating and considerate. Friendly staff as well. We really enjoyed our stay. We stayed one night in Jane's Listing and had an excellent time. The amenities were complete, communication was easy, the interior design was tasteful. Little touches like leaving the air conditioning on for our arrival really elevated the experience. However, I don't recommend staying here if you don't have your own car because the walk to the main road is quite long and steep. What a great place. Super clean and everything we needed to enjoy our 3-day stay were there. Towels were sealed and smelled great. Aircon was quiet so we had a good sleep. Utensils and cooking needs were available. Free coffee and Milo sachets. The highlight